Build custom industrial machines in days. Design your machine in the simplest online CAD. Get inspired by our public designs? Or build your own in minutes. Program and simulate your machine directly in your browser. Build a broad range of equipment, no matter the complexity. Upon completing your design, review your bill of materials, select shipping options, and order. Receive your part kit within days. Assemble your machine using a single tool from beginning to end. Simple, quick, and efficient. Design your machine today. Receive it tomorrow.